The Universe and the Teacup, The Mathematics of Truth and Beauty by Casey Cole. Told with a truth and beauty of its own, The Universe and the Teacup is a thoughtful answer as to why any of us should want to study algebra. I'll be reading the introduction to you. It's called The Sentimental Fruits. Mathematics seems to have an astonishing power to tell us how things work, why things are the way they are, and what the universe would tell us if we could only listen. This comes to a surprise from a branch of human activity that is supposed to be abstract, objective, and devoid of sentiment. Yet the way we view ourselves is closely connected to what we know, or think we know, about objective aspects in nature. Math tells us truth not only about how gravity works, the better to build bridges, but also universal truths that influence how we think and feel, the better to build societies. Physicist Frank Oppenheimer liked to call these the sentimental fruits of science. True, math does all the things we learned in school, building bridges, balancing checkbooks, calculating the odds of winning the lottery, but it also sheds light on those muddles of the mind that keep not only scientists up at night, but also artists, actors, poets, school teachers, psychologists, lovers, and parents. How can we make sense of nature, including human nature? What is the nature of truth? People search for answers in God and in equations, sometimes both at the same time. By writing plays, studying ants. Curiously, the same methods of thinking that help reveal light as an undulating electromagnetic field can also help sort out the causes of various social problems. The same approaches to proof that physicists used to establish the reality of a particle called the top quark are brought to the courtroom in the trial of O.J. Simpson. It's a heady notion, mathematics, that seemingly dry stuff has so much relevance to the deep philosophical ideas that are the foundations of society. By learning how it works, we can better grip on everything, from obscure aspects of physics to methods of fashioning fair divorce settlements. That's one reason I've tried in this book to directly relate ideas from mathematics to problem solving in unlikely places, from life on Mars to the riddle of the Unabomber. It's an attempt to demonstrate how mathematics informs the kinds of questions people really think and worry about. If I could accomplish one thing in this book, it would be to show that an interest in the quality of life is in no way diminished by quantitative arguments. Quantity and quality are inseparable. Scientists and mathematicians, as well as saints and philosophers, search for the fundamental hows and whys of existence. And although they have different standards of evidence and proof, quantitative insights do help us understand qualitative problems.